Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream chocolate. Begin by chilling your mixing bowl and gathering ingredients: heavy cream, whole milk, cocoa powder, sugar, and salt. Combine sugar and cocoa to prevent lumps, then whisk in milk and cream until smooth. Heat gently if needed, cool fully, then churn according to your machine's instructions. Finish by freezing briefly for scoopable texture and serving with toppings if desired. Dissolve cocoa and sugar in a small amount of warm milk to make a smooth paste before adding the rest of the milk and cream. Gently warm the combined mixture to help flavors marry, then remove from heat and stir in a pinch of salt to enhance chocolate depth. Chill the base thoroughly to below refrigerator temperature, ideally for several hours, to improve texture and prevent ice crystals during churning. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: I picked the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanups effortless, and it comically chases stray cookie crumbs after ice cream nights, saving you time and floor scrubbing. Check the description for the link and other deals to learn more and grab a discount. Now let's get back to the video. Pour the fully chilled base into your ice cream maker and churn until it reaches soft serve consistency, usually 20 to 30 minutes depending on your machine. Transfer the churned ice cream to a shallow container to speed up firming, then freeze until scoopable. If the ice cream is too hard, let it sit in the fridge for a short time to soften evenly. Enjoy scoops with sauce or mix-ins right before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.